Number 1. 1981 Ford F150, price $9,500, features a 4.9L inline-six engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering a reliable and smooth driving experience. This flare-side short-bed truck is finished in white with a brown interior, maintaining a classic and timeless look. Running well with a strong engine and a solid clutch, it offers both durability and performance. The truck comes with a clean title and has been recently upgraded with new tires, shocks, and a fairly new battery. Additionally, it features new door speakers and a radio for an enhanced audio experience. A unique feature of this F-150 is its removable tailgate, which can be positioned at either the front or back of the bed, adding versatility to its design. Powered by gasoline, this classic truck remains in great condition, making it a dependable and stylish choice. Number 2. 1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, with 100,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a reliable 350 small block engine paired with a TH400 transmission, ensuring strong performance on the road. The truck has been lifted, giving it an aggressive stance, and sits on 33-inch tires that enhance both its appearance and capability. With a sleek black exterior, it has a classic and timeless look that stands out. While it does not come with air conditioning or a stereo, it remains a dependable and solid vehicle. The seller is firm on the price and not open to trades. Number 3. 1975 Ford Ranger, price $2,800, with 38,000 miles on the odometer, features a manual transmission and a striking blue exterior. While the truck is in running and driving condition, it is not yet ready to be used as a daily driver. Some mechanical work is needed, particularly on the carburetor, which requires rejetting, and the steering linkage, which is worn out and in need of repair. Recent maintenance includes a fresh head gasket, an EGR delete, and a new water pump, ensuring the engine remains in solid shape. However, the truck does have some rust issues, particularly on the floor pans, though they have been temporarily covered with plates. Despite these concerns, the vehicle retains some positive aspects, such as all the glass being intact and the tires being in good condition, making it a solid project for someone willing to put in the necessary work. Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,000, with 130,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 350 TBI V8 engine paired with an NV3500 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a smooth and powerful driving experience. With a red exterior and a gray interior, this truck stands out for its clean and well-preserved condition. It runs and drives excellently and is currently being used as a daily driver, so the mileage may increase. One of its standout features is the upgraded sound system, which includes a total of 9 speakers, enhancing the audio experience inside the cabin. The truck is available for $9,000 with the full sound system or $7,500 without it. Additionally, the stickers on the rear window can be removed upon request. It is rare to find a Chevrolet 2500 in such great condition for this price. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. The truck is a classic single-cab, long-bed pickup truck that offers both reliability and vintage charm. It is powered by a new Blueprint 355 engine paired with a Turbo 350 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth performance on the road. While the true mileage is unknown, the odometer reads 100,000 miles. The truck runs and drives great, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts looking for a well-maintained classic. It features a brown exterior and matching brown interior, maintaining its original aesthetic. Running on gasoline, this 1977 C10 embodies the durability and timeless appeal of Chevrolet's legendary pickup trucks. Number 6. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000. It has undergone a 5.3L 4x4 engine swap from a 2004 model, enhancing its performance and reliability. With 200,000 miles on both the body and engine, this truck remains in great running and driving condition. It features an automatic transmission and a striking blue exterior. Additionally, it has been upgraded with electric fans, a custom sound system box, and a 4-inch rough country lift kit, giving it both improved cooling efficiency and an elevated stance. It rides on 22-inch Trail Boss wheels, adding to its rugged yet stylish appearance. While it has some cosmetic imperfections, the truck comes with a clean title and offers a solid combination of power, functionality, and unique modifications. Number 7. 1961 Ford F150, price $6,500, featuring a big back window and an 8-foot bed. Originally finished in raven black, this custom cab truck now showcases a striking two-tone color scheme. It has traveled 85,000 miles and is powered by a strong-running 292Y block engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, now floor-mounted. The truck is complete and has undergone extensive refurbishment, including a fully rebuilt brake system, new axle and wheel bearings, and significant bodywork. The interior has been refreshed with new seat foam, upholstery, and sound-deadening material for a more comfortable ride. The gas tank has been cleaned and fitted with a new sender, and all dash gauges are functional. The underside is remarkably clean, rust-free, and features a well-preserved torque box. Additionally, the truck sits on brand new tires, rims, and hubcaps, making it both a visually appealing and mechanically reliable classic. Number 8. 1973 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,000, with 96,800 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and a white exterior paired with a gray interior. This clean truck is powered by a custom-built small-block 400 engine with 4-bolt mains, dart heads, and a gear-driven cam, designed to run on environmentally friendly propane. The transmission has been upgraded to a rebuilt 700R4 overdrive unit, while the rear differential has been rebuilt with 4.56 gears, making it well-suited for towing. The engine, transmission, and rear differential have only about 10,000 miles since their rebuilds, ensuring reliability and performance. Inside, the truck boasts a remarkably well-preserved interior, rated 9 out of 10. It features a custom aftermarket bench seat with a folding console, adding both comfort and functionality. Number 9. 1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. It has 150,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission with a white exterior. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 motor and has a brand new 700R4 transmission, which was recently installed at a cost of $2,000, with paperwork included. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well and is in great condition for its age. It comes equipped with power windows, factory rally wheels, and several other desirable features. Additionally, it has both air conditioning and a heater, though these will require attention as all the necessary components are present but have not been tested. This classic truck comes with a clean title in hand. Number 10. 1989 Ford F150, price $6,500. This is an excellent project truck, nearly finished and ready for its next owner. With 195,000 miles on the odometer, it features a powerful 5.8L V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and a 2WD drivetrain. The truck stands out with its fresh gray exterior paint, complemented by an impeccable red interior that remains in excellent condition. It has been recently serviced, ensuring it runs smoothly, and comes equipped with brand new rims and tires. Additionally, it features fully functional dual gas tanks, making it a reliable and convenient choice for any truck enthusiast.